Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. If you are looking for how you can run Java program in your favorite Visual Studio Code, then you are in right place. Watch this video until the end because I am going to show you a step-by-step procedure to configure Visual Studio Code for running Java program correctly. Without further delay, let's get started. Open your browser. Mine is Chrome, and write Visual Studio Code. Click on Visual Studio Code and click on download for window. You can click here also, 64-bit. Open the folder, just double click on yes, accept the agreement, click on next. The path for installing Visual Code is program file, Microsoft VS Code. Click on next. Click on next. Create a desktop icon and add to path. Click on next. Install. This is how the Visual Studio Code is installed. Regulated time. Now we'll click on finish. Now install JDK, Java Development Kit. Make sure you're downloading from Oracle. This is JDK download. Now you have x64 installer. At present it is a JDK 16. Just click on this, accept, and click on download. We'll open the folder. This is just click on Java, click on next, click on next. It will take little time. I'll stop the video, and once it's installed, I'll continue my recording. Now it is installed. Close. So Java is installed. We'll go to C drive. C drive we have program file, and this is Java, JDK, and this is the path of Java. We'll copy this path. Right control panel. Control panel, we click on system. We click on advanced. We click on environment variable, and we click on path. Edit. We click on new, and we copy the path of Java. Okay. Close. We make one directory, new folder. Write the name tutorial _ Java. Now click on Visual Studio Code. You click on file, open folder, and desktop you have tutorial Java. Select folder. Click on new file. I have written simple.java. This program I have already written in BlueJ. So I'll open the BlueJ IDE. This program will interest program. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it. So here I write public static void main string args. This is the program. Now we have to add extension here. You have to click on extension. You have to write Java. So we click on Java extension by Microsoft. Will install. So it is installed. Okay. Click on program and we click on run code. Enter principal amount 5,000. Enter rate 12. Enter time 12. So how this program is run in Java. You follow? This is the output and this is your program. You can run from here also. Click on run. 7890. Rate of interest 12.5. Time 12 years. So this is Java program we have written in VS Code. If you want to know more about data type and variable, then watch my video given in I button. And you want to make another program, what you will do? Click on File, New File. The program I want to make it report card. This will calculate total and percentage. Extension I have given Java. So I have already made this program also in BlueJ. You'll see, copied this. Roll number integer type, name string type, and 5 subject mark, and total and percentage of double type. These are the declaration of variable. Then we created an object of scanner. If you want to know more about scanner class, then watch my video given in I button. We have written enter name and we have input name using next line because in name there are spaces also. Otherwise we can take next also while taking input in Java. We have taken roll number input and we have used next int method to taking this because roll number is integer type. For taking English mark, we have used next double method of scanner class because here and subject marks are of double type. That's why all the 5 subjects I have used next double method. We have calculated total and percentage and it is being printed. Click on run command. Enter name. Name I have given George. Roll number 1. English mark 89, 99, Science mark 89, Social Studies 78, Computer 99. So this is total and percentage is printed. So this is your input. Computer has first name, then roll number, and then subject mark, and output is printed. So this is the program. So you follow how to write program in VS Code. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.